Hello mates, it's the one with a simple guide that will immensely improve your ad optimization process. So you have created your campaigns and would like to keep an eye on them with KPIs. Now they are provided by Meta, but you have to consider 3 key points while you're assigning your KPIs. Now, when you're assigning your KPIs, you are evaluating the success of your campaign, distraction of audience, the relevance of the audience, and ROI of the campaign. These are easily tracked if you create a pseudo customer journey using KPIs. See the interest of audience and consider your creative success rate via click-through rate, aka CTR. Afterwards, the journey on your site begins with the inspection of your products, goes on with adding the product to cart and checking out. Head over to KPIs to simply search and apply view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, purchase, and ROI in this order. Add the total number of events as well as cost per event to keep an eye on your campaign's efficiency. There you have it. Now you can easily observe the customer journey to improve your campaign, your website, or your creative, whichever is needed. Subscribe to our channel to find out what more you can do to improve your customer journey. Cheers!